How to fix no sound on videos on Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, is sound not working on your Facebook? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your Facebook app, then go to menu icon on the bottom right and then scroll down, tap on settings and privacy, tap on settings again, and then scroll down under preferences. You'll find media, tap on it, and then scroll down. You'll see the sound option. So make sure you toggle it all on. Play all sounds in app. Make sure it is toggled on. Reels start with sound on, toggle it on, and stories start with sound on, toggle that on too. And it's as simple as that. Now the sounds will start playing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.